Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Check that your Google account is added to the phone and sync is active, because changes propagate to the cloud. Open the Contacts app or, if you prefer precise control, sign into Contacts. Google, Com in the browser. Once done, decide whether you want to delete contacts from the cloud or just remove them locally. Make sure to pause sync if you only want local removal, otherwise deletions will sync back. You'll now pick the contacts to remove. Long press one contact to enter multi-select mode, then tap Others or use Search to filter by name, label, or duplicates. Make sure to review selected entries. Once confident, tap the menu and choose Delete or Move to Bin. If you're on Contacts, Google, use the checkbox in the header then the trash icon. This removes them from your Google account, so be deliberate, because synced devices will reflect the change. Finish by emptying the trash in Google Contacts if you want permanent deletions sooner than 30 days, because otherwise items remain recoverable. Then re-enable sync on your phone and force a manual sync to update all devices. This ensures the changes propagate. If contacts disappear unexpectedly, check other accounts like Device or Exchange and restore from a backup or the Google Contacts Restore feature. If sync
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.